All right, good morning and good afternoon, class. Today we're basically going to do some practice problems on the last concept that you guys watched, just so you guys can practice. And practice makes perfect. So if you practice these problems, I'm going to give you a quick chance to write them all down right now. If we practice them, you're going to just get, if you keep practicing, you're going to keep getting better at them. So I want to take a quick time so you guys can copy the problems down. All right, I hope you guys paused the video and copied all these problems down on your either your notebook or a piece of paper, and now we're going to work through them all. I want you guys to do these first three problems first. Try them by yourselves, and we'll come back and see if you got them right or you got them wrong and what you need to work on. All right, so the first three problems, if we're talking about money, let's try that concept again of talking about money. If I have $10 and I owe you $5, how much am I going to have left? I'm going to have $5 left. The second problem, if I owe you $10 and then I have $5 in my pocket, but I owe you $10, what am I going to be left with? I'm going to still owe you $5 because I'm not able to pay you back for all the money that you let me borrow. The third problem, I owe you $5 and then I owe you another $10. If you put those together, I would basically owe you I would basically owe you $15. It would be negative 15. So a quick hack that you guys can take in practice for these next four problems is that if the signs are the same, you can basically just add those numbers and then put the respective sign on it. If the signs are different, or if the color is different, if you're color coordinating it, if the signs are different, you're basically subtracting the two numbers and then putting the sign of the bigger number. If you want to give that a shot for the next four problems, you're welcome to. If you want to keep doing it the money way, feel free. If you want to try out the last four problems and we can get to it afterwards, that would be great. All right, the final four problems that we have. Number four, if you have $9 and then you owe me $3, you're gonna have to give $3 out of your pocket. It'd basically be 9 minus 3, and then you'd be left with $6, of course. Next problem. I owe you $9, and then I owe you another $3. And how I said it beforehand, if the signs are the same, you basically just add the numbers together, put the sign as the same as well. So if I owe you $9, then I owe you another $3. I'm gonna have to owe you in total a total of $12. You put negative 12. Number 6, if I have $3 in my pocket and I owe you $9, I'm not gonna be able to pay you back completely because I don't have $9 in my pocket. I only have $3 and I owe you $9. How much am I still gonna owe you? You basically subtract the two numbers and you put the sign of the bigger one. I would still owe you $6. I need to pay you back. The final problem that we have is negative 2 plus 2. If I owe you $2 and I have $2 in my pocket, I'm of course give you those $2 in my pocket because I pay off my debts. So what would be left with is if I have $2 and I give you $2, I would have $0 in my pocket. I wouldn't have any money left. And that is basically the entire concept and the practice problems. I hope you guys got them right. If you guys didn't, keep practicing with a couple more problems, and I'm sure you guys will get it in the future. Thank you.
Pause.
All right. The trick that I showed you guys of basically if they are different, you're basically subtracting. If they are the same sign, you're basically adding them. Now we're going to go through that pretty quickly because it's a much easier way. And after you get past the money thing, you can use this with any problem that you see, and you'll be like this. Okay, so number 4, if you have 9 and then negative 3, they're different. So you subtract 9 minus 3 equals 6, positive 6. The next problem, if you have negative 9 plus negative 3, there's the same sign, so you add them together. 9 plus 3 equals 12. But don't forget about the negative. That is the most important part. Because if you forget about the negative, the whole answer is wrong. So that's very important to keep an eye out for the negatives in the problem. If they're the same, you can just add them, negative 12. Number 6, we have positive 3 and negative 9. They are, of course, different. One is positive, one is negative. So here, if they're different, how I said, you subtract them. 3 minus 9 is 6, of course. So you take the sign of the bigger number. Right here, the bigger number is 9, has a negative, so the answer is negative 6. For the final problem over here, we have negative 2 plus 2. They are different, so you would basically subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. That one, 0 doesn't have a sign. It's not positive or negative. It's just 0 as it is. So I hope you guys understand that and understand the trick that there is to this problem so they can go much faster and not having to think about money all the time. All right, thank you.